Hello, everyone. Welcome to our very first episode of Chai and Chat. My name is Janie. I'm so excited to be here today.
Hi everyone, I'm Sam. Nice to meet you all. And nice to meet you too, Janie.
Nice to meet you too, Sam. Okay, shall we start with a quick introduction? You first or me first?
Ladies first, please.
Okay. Hi, I'm Janie. I'm 24 years old. I live in a small city near the mountains. I work as a graphic designer. Mostly, I make posters and logos for small businesses, and I love drinking chai in the evening while it rains. That's my happy place.
Wow, graphic designer. That's cool. Okay, my turn. Hi, I'm Sam. I'm 26. I live in a very noisy area in the city. I work in an IT company. I fix computers and networks when they get angry. And I love playing cricket on Sundays, even if I'm not very good.
Not very good? Come on, tell the truth.
Okay. I'm okay. I can hit a few sixes, sometimes. What about you, Janie? Do you play any sports?
Sports? I used to play badminton in school. Now I just do yoga in the morning, very slowly. And I walk a lot. That counts, right?
Yes, definitely counts. Walking is secretly the best sport.
Totally agree. So, Sam, what do you like to do when you're not working or playing cricket?
I watch movies, mostly action and comedy, and I love cooking, but only two dishes, Maggie and egg fried rice. That's my limit.
Only two dishes? That's honest. I love cooking too, but I make a lot of mistakes. Last week, I tried to make paneer tikka. It became paneer soup instead.
Paneer soup? That's a new recipe. We should name it Janie's Special Soup.
Please, no. Okay, next question. What's your favorite way to spend a lazy Sunday?
Sleep till 11, then watch IPL or movies, eat mom's food, sleep again. Perfect day.
Sounds amazing. For me, morning chai, read a book or scroll Instagram, water my plants, then maybe bake something sweet like cookies, and definitely take a long nap in the afternoon.
You bake cookies? Next episode, you have to teach me.
Deal! But only if you teach me how to hit a 6 in cricket.
Done deal.
All right, friends, we talked a lot today about hobbies, food, lazy Sundays, small things that make life fun. Sam, any last words?
Just one thing. Don't be scared to speak English. Even if it's wrong, just speak, like we did today. Mistakes are okay. We all make them.
100% correct. Thank you so much for listening to our first episode. If you liked it, tell your friends and practice speaking a little English every day.
See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. Take care.